Following Jesus is not always easy because when we choose to do what is right, not everyone will agree with us. In today's gospel, Jesus says, I came to bring fire on the earth. And that fire is not to destroy. It is to purify. It is the fire of truth and love that will burn away what is false in our hearts. But truth can be uncomfortable. Some people welcome it. Others reject it. That is why Jesus says his message can even divide families. Still, he calls us to stand firm, not to stay silent or just go with the flow. Because silence in the face of wrong is not peace. It is giving up. A bishop once said, if you are neutral in situations of injustice, you have chosen the side of the oppressor. So today, let us stand with courage. Let the fire of Christ burn in our hearts. Because when we stand for truth, we stand with Him, and we never stand alone. Amen.